John over at Apache Village RV Center. Guess what? We have 2026 models. This Jayco Eagle SLE 28BHU is the first 2026 we've had come across the lot. Still kind of waiting for a list from Jayco on what our model year 2026 updates are going to be. So we're just going to go ahead and burn through this, look at the interior, see some of the changes. I've only been in it once, so we're going to see what I can catch here. This 28BHU is a wonderful fifth wheel. It's sort of their entry level, so to speak, fifth wheel offering. Coming in right at about 34 feet and 8,700 pounds, very manageable, sleeps a ton of people. We're gonna start at the front here and kind of work our way around and then take a look at the interior as well. Flip this camera around, bingo. So up front, you got your big old front cap, beautiful Jayco emblem on the front we're all so familiar with. You have your standard storage compartment, electric front jacks. Here's your battery housing. When you buy a unit from Apache Village, it's gonna come full of propane and a nice battery on board, 2 batteries in this case. This is gonna have 60 total pounds of propane, 2 30-pound bottles, 1 on each side. A giant, almost full-length awning with an LED light strip. Our MORryde step above stairs, very nice. Big old storage compartment. This is rigged up with solar. So this has a 30 amp solar controller with 200 watts of solar on the roof. Motion sensor lights. And this is climate controlled if you need it to be. If you see that duct right there with the vent in it, you can pop that open, pump some heat into this thing. Moving along, 15-inch Vernier tires. These have a 1-year warranty on the first year tire and wheel replacement coverage, 4-year Treaded Advantage roadside assistance, and 6-year warranty on all radial ST tires, and lifetime structural coverage on all the wheels. So this nice rim here has a very, very good warranty on it. Vacuum bonded walls, and then Jayco's famous 2+3 warranty. This has a 2-year mechanical warranty, meaning every part on this is covered for 2 years. The 3 years is going to be your structural warranty, covering the roof, sidewalls, etc., frame, all of that. Climate shield. This does have climate shield, meaning you're okay to go camping in the winter. Make sure that furnace is running. You should be able to keep your plumbing and all that thawed out down to 0 degrees. There we go. Outside shower setup. Electric jacks for the rear to offer you some stability. They're not winning any races, so we're not going to check that out. But huge storage compartment. This is built in under the rear bunks. Giant cavernous storage. Love that. 3,000 pound hitch with a 300 pound tongue weight. And then up top, we're rigged up for our backup camera and then a Lippert extendable ladder. Those ladders are really neat. They kind of telescope and pack away very nicely, so they don't take up a ton of space. Over here on the driver's side, once again, our pass-through storage. Here's how you run the front legs. Motion sensor light, TV cable hookups here. 50 amp service, 60,000 BTU tankless water heater. Right here we have our black tank flush, city water connection, and then this is to fill our onboard water tank. Let's go ahead and walk inside and check out some of these updates. So we do have a different interior color for the furniture in 2026. There we go. It's sort of a tan color, nice fabric that is scotch guarded. A big fan of this. The pleather is gone these days, so no issues with cracking or any flaking or anything like that 5, 6, 7 years down the road, which we have seen across the industry. It's really unfortunate. We have trade-ins come in. You know, people are like, oh, my couches are flaking and cracking. Well, so are everybody else's, unfortunately. It's really hard to prevent that. But I'm definitely digging this interior color. Love these gold handles on the cabinets. Done a great job kind of giving everything a facelift. Even in this model, being the SLE, kind of the budget model, so to speak, low price leader for us, we're going to have a whisper quiet AC in the main living area and our nice MB Court sound system speakers. And this is hooked up to our Bluetooth player right here by the TV. So you can hit this, hook it up to your phone, hit the TV button. There you go, Bluetooth mode.
TV audio.
TV audio. Run this through 2 different zones and either run the speakers through the TV or by phone. We have this model priced at $46,995, folks. Come on by and check it out. There's our small microwave right here. Plenty to get the job done. Beautiful cabinets though. Nice 2-sided sink. Little extension hose. Here's our oven. And then 3-burner stovetop. It's really good storage right here. And I guess if we wanted, maybe if you asked our shop, we could probably install an electric fireplace right there, but I'd probably opt for the storage if it were me. 12-volt refrigerator. This is a 10 cubic foot. I just turned on, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. Freezer up top, fridge on the bottom. Leave that cracked and let it defrost. This is gonna have storage underneath as well. So cool thing about a U-shaped dinette, an adult can sleep on this. You know, you could drop the table down, push the cushions together, have plenty of room to sleep another individual. These are big old double bunks right here. 600-pound limit on this top bunk. Nice plywood construction. There's light switches and outlets up here. That outlet up top is actually prepped for the inverter. So if you do install an inverter in this unit, you can get 110 power in there off the battery. Nice little storage cubbies. This outlet as well. Anything that has that sticker on it right there is going to be prepped for the inverter. So nice spacious interior. Once again, sitting here on our lot at 8,700 pounds. Very manageable at 34 feet long. You're able to sleep 1. This is a trifold couch, so call it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the bedroom. And if you have little kids, you know, you could pack even more people in here for sure. Right at the entry door, we're going to have our water pump, our tank sensor gauges, slide out, awning control, LED puck lights, and then our Coleman Mach thermostat. Right here, we're going to have all of our breakers. And then this model also has a second AC. So this Coleman Mach is rigged into the ductwork. You can go ahead and close this off, push the air into the ducts if you need. Really nice feature. And your thermostat for that AC is right here. So that's kind of nice. You can be laying in bed and be able to control your temperature in the bedroom, no problem. And turn these lights on. Huge storage compartment. This main compartment here is shared with the bathroom. You can kind of see that other door there. So you can put clothes in there, other items, towels, etc. But tons of storage in the bedroom. It's nice having that little bit of extra space there. And then of course, air struts with a big giant storage compartment underneath the bed. Really strong air struts. Oh geez. Overhead storage here above the bed. Pretty standard stuff. And then both of these outlets next to the bed are inverter prepped. I don't know if you can see that sticker. That's the sticker I'm referring to. Then you have USB-C and old school USB plugs as well. Tons of options for charging your phones and tablets, etc. Nice big shower. You can see somebody's been in it. There's some footprints in it. But really good sized shower for a 34-foot unit. You know, this is a good sized shower. I can comfortably fit in here with room to spare. Porcelain toilet. Some towel hangers. Shower has a dual selector here to change the way it's spraying. Pocket door. Nice big medicine cabinet. Tankless water heater control. So I mentioned that 60,000 BTU tankless water heater outside. There's your controller to adjust the temperature. And we have some storage underneath the sink. Additional spots for towels and such. And then, as I mentioned in the bedroom and bathroom kind of share this storage compartment here. But 2026, folks, this is our first 2026 model we've had come through the dealership. It's nice. I'm really, really liking these new couches and the new furniture. It's a good look to it. I like the handles on the cabinets. That gold is a really cool touch. Very clean looking unit. If you have any questions below, we're going to see more 2026s rolling in, but I want to do just a quick 10-minute walkthrough, kind of show you everything we have going on here. So as they roll in, we'll be doing updates and more videos. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and comment below. Happy to respond and answer any questions you have. But as always, folks, go one better, go Apache Village. Come on up, $47,000 right here. Get you in a nice fifth wheel for you and the family. We hope to see you. And yeah, it's beautiful outside, man. We are in our busy season. Come on by, check us out. We are the #1 fifth wheel dealer in the country for Jayco at this time. And our family would love to earn your business. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Bye.